Hi, let's see how to install Python. Okay, so to download this Python, just go to this python.org/download and click on download Python 3.6.5. That is the latest version. Okay, and once you download it, once you click on it, it will get downloaded. That exe will be getting downloaded here. If you are looking for installation of Linux, Mac OS or other, you can click on these links here. Okay. And now just click on this exe, Python exe. This is very straightforward installation. Okay, click on run and go for the install now. Okay, and make sure you add the path to 3.62 path variable. Okay, so that we don't need to modify the path variables manually. Okay, if you select this option, okay, and click on install now. So now it's getting installed. Okay, almost completed. So yes, so setup was successful. Just close this one and minimize everything. Just open the command prompt. Click on Python 3. Just click on Python. Okay, right, perfect. Okay, so you are able to connect to Python version 3.6.5. You are in the Python interpreter. Okay, you can see print of hello. Right, perfect. Okay, hello. Very good. Okay, perfect. Right, so this is how we have to install Python in the Windows. Thank you so much. Keep watching a good Devops one. Thank you.